Chapter 14. Symmetry and Patterns. Warm-up activity. Symmetry. A shape or an object has symmetry if it can be divided into two identical parts. The line which divides the figure or object into two exact halves is called the line of symmetry. A figure can either have one or more than one line of symmetry. The following figures have only one line of symmetry. The dotted lines show the line of symmetry in each case. A rectangle has two lines of symmetry. Some other shapes that have two lines of symmetry are shown below. A square has four lines of symmetry, while a circle has more than four lines of symmetry. Some other shapes that have more than four lines of symmetry are shown below. 5 lines of symmetry, 6 lines of symmetry, 8 lines of symmetry, 6 lines of symmetry. Remember, a figure can have more than one line of symmetry. Reflections. What do we see when we stand in front of the mirror? Yes, we can see our image in the mirror. This image is called reflection. So, reflection is the mirror image of the object. Examples: A, B, C, D. Remember, an object and its image are always at the same distance from the surface of a mirror, which is called the mirror line. Tessellation. When tiles are fitted in such a way that there are no gaps between them and they do not overlap are called tessellations. Example: shape that does not tessellate. Tessellating shape. Number 1. Overlapping of a single type of polygon having equal sides. Number 2. Overlapping of two or more types of polygons having equal sides. Number 3. Overlapping of non-standard polygons. Patterns and symbols. A group or arrangement of numbers, shapes, letters, designs, etc. that repeats more than one time is called a pattern. We observe patterns all around us. We find patterns on clothes, walls, saris, tiles, doors, wooden furniture, carpets, etc. Look at the following examples to understand better. It can be understood that the arrow is moving clockwise, so the next figure will be as shown alongside. In the following example, a dot travels from the center of a circle to its boundary and then to the outside. Note that in this example, the point on the circumference moves in an anti-clockwise rotation, and from the right position, box 2 comes to the top, box 5. Also, the dot which lies on the outside of the circle moves from one corner to the other. The next two figures will be as shown alongside. Patterns in addition of consecutive numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 is a multiple of 3 and 3 multiplied 2 is equal to 6. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 is a multiple of 3 and 3 multiplied 3 is equal to 9. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 is a multiple of 3 and 3 multiplied 4 is equal to 12. 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 15. 15 is a multiple of 3 and 3 multiplied 5 is equal to 15. Rule: the sum of three consecutive numbers is a multiple of 3. Also, the sum is 3 times the middle term. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. It is equal to 2 multiply 1 plus 4 or 2 multiply 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 40. It is equal to 2 multiply 2 plus 5 or 2 multiply 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 80. It is equal to 2 multiply 3 plus 6 or 2 multiply 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 22. It is equal to 2 multiply 4 plus 7 or 2 multiply 5 plus 6. Rule: the sum of the 4 consecutive numbers is either A. twice the sum of the first and the fourth number, or B. twice the sum of the second and the third number. Also, the sum increases in force. Patterns in multiplication. Multiplying a number ending in 5 by itself. 25 multiply 25 is equal to 625. 6 is 2 multiply 3. 25 is 5 multiply 5. 35 multiply 35 is equal to 1225. 12 is 3 multiply 4. 25 is 5 multiply 5. 45 multiply 45 is equal to 2025. 20 is 4 multiply 5. 25 is 5 multiply 5. Rule: every product ends in 25 and the remaining digits are obtained by multiplying the digit at the tens place by its next higher number. Multiplying the same numbers having all digits as 1. We have 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. 11 multiply 11 is equal to 121. 111 multiply 111 is equal to 12,321. 1,111 multiply 1,111 is equal to 12,34,321. Rule: the middle digit in the product is the sum of the digits of the multiplicand or multiplier.